Hello everyone, I bring you another video on strategy in financial markets. In this case, the strategy has already been approved in other markets. But we are going to apply this in financial markets, configure the indicators. The configuration is simple. The candlestick, we're gonna use that M1, alright? So time frame M1, okay? And let's go with that. Now let's go to using Donchian Channels, 20 period, the style is up to you. Just copy mine and select background, okay? And click on save. The expiration time will be 2 minutes, guys. And for hosted stochastic oscillator, this configuration has right here, 2 minutes for the time. The amount we're gonna start with $26, okay? I'm going to start trading with this 13, the maximum that. Look, I think that's entry right now. I didn't change another candle, and the stochastic oscillator show me an uptrend. All right, so while the points were low, and here it's something, it's not kind of support. And see if there's a support or not. All right. Price actions must be combined with the indicators, guys, for created deliveries. That is, if they win directly, and this is strategy to win directly. How do I know the support? If it doesn't happen twice, and then it's because support. If you break through, I would change the support resistance, but for the have a look in the micro trend and the macro, well, look. Okay? In the M5, tells me the price is coming strong and there is room for a drop here, down to here. I could wait for that and then drop to the continuation of the trend. If this is not that it's very low, you will have to see that. Well, I'm going to look for an entry, and when I have it, I will take and explain it. And here we have a possible entry. All right. So that's GBP CAD. The candles look like they're breaking down the channel in the middle. If it breaks the stochastic oscillator leading downward, that would give me a continuation of the downward. Okay. So 2 minutes would be the entry. Okay, enter the base on that right here, GBP USD. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. And I have the first entry, guys. What 2 minutes? The description is 2 minutes. Here you can clearly see that the price breaks the stochastic oscillator, moving every point downwards. So both indicators are giving me the entry. Well, there's a quick reaction. I'll wait for a minute to see how the first position turned out. And let's see this, okay? Let's wait for the results. We got 1 minute 30 seconds. And look at it, guys. We got our first win. It's almost turning around. And well, the price reaction with a lot of volatility in this candle. And the next one is those too. But it's because of the time. Don't look at it. The time is it. There could be volatility now if we start to rise again and then go back down. We have to watch this new candle. It's practically nothing. Well, I won my first position. The next position would be with an amount of $30. All right. When I have my new entry, we'll take and explain it. Okay. So don't worry. Look, I like this entry, so sell button for that. 1, 2 minutes. Again. All right. And you see that is thoughts. It's markets, yes. Looks giving me this kind of point downwards, which is a Donchian channel. It's failing strongly. That is this downward trend. The price rise a little more. That's correction. Wow, that is a test more or less in the area. And we are entering the downside. We need to pay attention. And look at this, guys. Another win. And wow, we'll wait to see how the second position of this financial market session turns out. And again, no position in this one right here. We need to wait for that. M1 in time frame, 20 seconds for the new entry, and see how the second position for that. All right. For Donchian channel, there's a big pullback. They already give me the better entry point, and how you can add it that way. Now the wait for an entry. Well, Eliminated had a 1, but it gives me a scare, right? $50 for that. So even had one, but it's gives me a better entry. So we need to wait for that. Let's wait for the good position. The price has gone up and it's not happening. It's not happening here, and there's a downward. All right. So click on the sell button and let's see that, guys. Average market resistance. The classic seems to be crossing low again. Waiting for the rise a little to see if this go up a bit. I'll give it the downside 2 minutes. GBP out again, 6.8 payout. It's slow, but it's okay. All right. Don't forget that this payout is very well. All right. Don't forget about that. Okay, 75. It's minimal for that, but it's okay. Don't worry about this. I'm still winning, guys. I wait 2 minutes to see how the third position turns out. Basically, all the entries are going down due to the trend. Okay, so I think that we are good for that one. $50, we're gonna win 84 the profits for that. So we need to pay attention. If the trend is upward, look at this. That is a win for us. Position went again. I would go with the major trend and wait for the results and see this. All right. So now, guys, let's wait for the next one. I would go with that. The financial markets with the strategy that you understand that is. The price action is very clear in the trends. Of course, if there is a student news or student movements, you have to wait for that. Just for past, okay, strategy entries on that. We are not supporting on the stochastic oscillator here. It's not up, yeah, but this is the trend. What is the trend? Big bearish trend, and have to support that? No. So we're gonna use $17 for the next one. The price is below the Donchian channel. Is that area is the action resistance? Look at that. All right. I'm going to use the last position, guys, and nothing would happen with the die. We just will try to trust in the uptrend right now, because that's I've used the buy button lit. Okay, and perhaps some of you say, why am I going in upward if I see that price is below the Donchian channel? Secondly, it's stochastic oscillator. All right, telling me that is down. No, but there is not crossover anymore. But let's wait, we're not gunning. That's my favorites.
Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
That's is kind of reversion. All right, because of that. And we have an M5. The price is going up. Although there is a very quick reaction. It's not that the price was done, but it's that measure that zone. It doesn't go through. It doesn't go through. That is the secret is very strong in one hit. But it doesn't go through, it's test again. So it's giving me another dose testing partners to keep it going up. All right. And last is the maximum. I'll wait now for seconds and let's see what's happening with that. The red hitting my entry, but look. And we got this again, guys. Another win on that, man. Our GPY 136 did the most. All right. And if they were on GBP, guys, well, if it's scared because there's a lot of wick, but hey, it's working it. Did the last trade work it out? And with that, we enter the video, and that's one Donchian channel and Stochastic Oscillator, right? Sure, when the price starts to compress, sometimes it's better not to stick with this. But since I saw a rejection more than anything else, I realized the price action this like here. But there's a breaks, measure the price comes back. There's a lot of you lonely enter buy that is on Donchian. Well, I increased my account from 26 to 156. That's a lot of things. I hope this video helps you. Leave your comments and let's see you on the next one, guys. Bye bye. See you. Leave your comments and have a great day. See you.